the Hands-On Time. My name is Mal and I'm doing watch reviews for you. So the topic of today is about, again, this wonderful brand Jacques du Manoir that are, mainly doing homages to the Rolex Datejust, and they are doing it super fine. And like I promised, in my video, the video that I did on the state of my collection, I promised you that I was about, to present to you the 36mm version of that watch, because I already did a 40mm presentation of my watch, but in 40mm, and that one is in 36mm. So this is going to be the topic of today. And also I have a subscriber, his name, a really nice guy. His name is Aloha, and this guy asked me if the 36mm watch was wearable by men. That was a question, and I'm going to answer to him today. The brand. What about the brand? So Jacques du Manoir didn't came out of the blue, they didn't came out of nowhere. They have been established since a long time ago, in Switzerland, because they are 100% Switzerland company, and they have a tremendous history. But to know about the history, please just go and refer to my video on the 40mm. I went into the history, I went into Franz, I think his name is Franz Fromers, I try to remember his name. He bought back the company and saved it. So just go back on my 40mm watch if you are interested on the background of Jacques du Manoir, because they have a wonderful history. The cost. How much did I pay for this watch? For this watch we paid less than 150 euros, no more than that, by using a code, a coupon that I'm gonna put back, in the description of the video, so you can, try it. I think it's still working. So yeah, less than 150 euros for this. Look at that, for this beautiful Rolex Datejust homage in gold and silver. Beautiful. The specs. What are the specs for this watch? So for this watch, the specs are really simple. I checked for you. The lug to lug, distance would be 44. The thickness of the watch would be 941. Okay, so less than 10 for the thickness. As you can see, the thickness is absolutely wonderful on this watch. 20 for the band. Tapers down to 15, I think, from here. You have a butterfly clasp. As you can see, deployant butterfly clasp. What else? Sorry for the coughing. What else can I say? You have a date complication with a cyclops. As you can see, I don't know if we will be able to catch it, but the cyclops, magnifies wonderfully. Okay, on this watch. Yeah, I think that here, yeah, trust me, it magnifies beautifully. Okay, the dial has a beautiful silver sunburst, already, almost like a champagne, silver sunburst. Really beautiful. The diamonds around are as well not real, but wonderfully, beautifully executed. And inside you have a Ronda Quartz 515, highly repairable, wonderful, like I said, for the 40mm version of it. It's a really, really good, reliable quartz that you can really trust, from Ronda. So 5 atmosphere of water resistant. This is not made to go and swim, okay? Don't swim with this watch, but you can walk, under the rain without any trouble. So everything is 316L stainless steel, even the back, as you can see, and the beautiful Swiss-made connotation, because this is a made in Switzerland watch. As you can see, Swiss-made. And what do we have here? High performance quartz powered instrument, and it's true. The 515 is really, really wonderful. Okay, with the beautiful Jacques du Manoir branding here. And the mysterious B. If you want to know about the B, go and check the history on my 40mm, Jacques du Manoir watch. The B stands for Bugley, which is the original name of Jacques du Manoir. So I think that's it for the specification. If I forgot something, do not hesitate to tell me in the comments. I forgot to tell you. You also have a B. Stands for Bugley, okay, the original company, signed crown, so wonderful crown, and the movement is hackable, okay, it's a quartz, but it's a hackable quartz, I forgot to tell you. So I think that's it for the specs. The good and the bad. What's good, what's bad about this watch? Well, everything's good about this watch, okay? Like the 40 millimeters diameter Jacques du Manoir that I presented to you before, the only thing that I said was, yeah, that you know, butterfly deployant clasp was pretty generic, but this is really, you know, trying to look for a detail and something that does not exist. There's nothing bad about this watch. This watch is beautiful. How to wear this watch? Well, really easy answer, like the Rolex Datejust, you know, the original one. Highly versatile. You can wear this watch with anything that you want, you know, casual chic, suits, etc. That watch could be your only watch, you know, and you can wear it, you know, with anything that you want. That's the power, you know, of the Rolex Datejust, and that's the power of these Jacques du Manoir homage. You can wear it with what you want, you know, just don't go too casual. And there you go for the wrist shot. Okay, so my wrists are 16.5 centimeter of circumference, and as you can see, with the 44 lug to lug width distance, it's beautiful. It embraced absolutely all of my wrist. Okay, as you can see, everything touches, even better than the 40 millimeter you know, watch that I presented to you. It's absolutely beautiful. This watch is great. There's nothing else I can say. Okay, so this is not my watch, so I need to, you know, to take it. And my girlfriend has bigger wrist than me. Isn't that nice? I don't experience a lot of light today. Okay, I'm really trying to show you, and I'm sorry for that, but I don't control the weather. Beautiful, really nice. So that was the wrist shot. So you also have a wonderful lume. I'm not going to do a lume shot, you know, for you. As you can see, the lume is not that bad. Okay guys, let's take a moment. So I think that this is the most important, you know, part of the video, is really to take a moment and just look at this beautiful watch. So as you can see, the game of light on this watch is beautiful. Look at that. And really the video, you know, today I don't have a lot of light, and I'm not able to capture all the beauty of this watch, but the boss of my girlfriend, you know, really thought that she had a Rolex, you know, a Rolex Datejust on her wrist, and he was amazed by the quality of this watch. I'm so sorry I don't have a lot of light today, but trust me, this watch is just crazy. I'm gonna try and put a light just to show you. And when there's, you know, when there's light and when there's, it's absolutely glowing, you know. Really nice watch, beautiful. So that's it for the moment, I guess. And answer to Gloire. That was, you know, just a quick video to show you the watch and show you how it looks, you know, on a man's wrist. Of course you can wear it. Okay, that's my answer, Ekete. Of course you can wear this watch even if you are a man, because I'm gonna put, you know, a picture here on the screen. And as you can see, it's exactly the same. This watch is exactly the same watch that they were doing at Rolex, you know. The 36 version, the gold and silver one for men, is exactly the same. It's that one. you know, so you can wear it. I wanted to be sure, and I contacted Jacques du Manoir. Okay, I did the work for you. I contacted Jacques du Manoir, and they told me that the materials that they are using, you know, for these watches and the 40 millimeters watches that are, you know, deemed for men are exactly the same. There are no difference, okay, between the 36 millimeter and the 40 millimeters. There are no difference, okay. The 40 millimeters that has, you know, the diamonds for men are exactly the same. It's just smaller, you know, okay. So same dial, same diamonds, you know, same everything. It's just that that one is 36, and nowadays, you know, they are deemed for girls. But we all know that the original, you know, Rolex Submariner, Datejust, was 36 millimeter, and they told me, you know, at Jacques du Manoir, that it's something that is just something you have to choose for yourself. You know, if you want to wear a 36 millimeter or a 40 millimeters, it's absolutely the same thing for them, even if it's reference for you know, women on their website. Exactly the same dial, same diamonds, same everything. You know, it's just a smaller you know, sized watch, and that's it. So to answer the question, yes, you can. Just, you know, try and choose something that you would deem you know, of being more wearable by a guy. Me personally, if I had to go with the 36 sorry for the coughing, 36 millimeter, I would take the silver, you know, the silver case, the silver dial, everything in silver, you know. There are one that men can wear, and one that, you know, are like made for women. But that one, for example, is absolutely perfectly wearable by a man. Okay. So écoutez, I hope I've answered your question, and these are the answers that I got directly from Jacques du Manoir. Okay, so my final thoughts for this watch is it's beautiful. Go and, you know, grab yourself one. The Jacques du Manoir, you know, Rolex Datejust homage is a beauty. Okay, and does the trick tremendously well. I'm sorry I don't have, you know, no sun, no nothing, you know, it's winter here in Paris, and I really wanted to show you how it shines and how beautiful it is. I hope the camera will catch it a little, you know, and if you like what you saw, well, subscribe, okay, subscribe, like, comment, leave me a message. It's always, you know, I'm always really happy, you know, to answer and to share with you what you think, you know, about the video you just saw, and have a nice one. Okay, take care of you and your families, and see you in the next one.